Okay, guys, good day. My name is Mankwa Kingsley, and we are continuing with the forex trading lessons. And today we're going to be practical. We're going to be, delving into something very important concerning your trading platform, that is the MT5. But before you get to MT5, you have to know how to calculate your profit. Okay, the last time we talked about pips. Okay, the pips are very important to every trader because your pips will help you determine the amount of money you are earning. But is that so? Yes, it's so. But the other calculations that we put is being put in place to calculate to bring out your money out. So let's calculate. Let's know about that before you be able to calculate for your profit. Okay, per every pip. Okay, how much do I earn per every pip? Let's say you are able to attain 4 pips. How much amount of money am I supposed to get? Am I going to get 4 cents? Am I going to get what? Am I going to get $4 or what? So that's what we're going to calculate today. Now, before you calculate your profits, you need what we call the pip. You need the lot size, and then you need the leverage. So this will answer most of your question about. So how do I know my profit? How does it show up? So that is it. Pip, lot, and then leverage. We talked about pip. We talked about lot size. We talked about leverage. We said your lot size should be 0.01. We said your pip, for the pip, the smallest change in the currency exchange is the pip. And then the leverage is what you choose to go by, whether 1 is to 50, 1 is to 10, 1 is to 200, or 1 is to 100. That is your leverage. Now let's see how your profit is being calculated. Okay, let's see how it works. So assuming you have a leverage, okay, your account have a leverage of 1 is to 10. Okay, and then let's say you entered a trade. The exchange rate was 1.3. The exchange rate was 1.3108. Okay, and then you place an order, whether you sell, or you buy. Definitely you place the buy order. So it was here, and then you place the buy order saying it will go high, and it went to 1.3800. So you see there is an increase. There is an increase in these values here. Okay, so that is it. You buy, and then here. So let's calculate the number of pips you attained from this exchange. Let's calculate the number of pips. So definitely when you do your calculation, you are going to get 692 pips. That is amazing. 692 pips. 692 what? Pips. Now, if this is it, okay, your pips, you had 692 pips, and then your leverage is 1 is to what? 10. Now, the next question is your lot size. What was your lot size? As I already say, always you have to place your lot size at 0.01. Okay, I'll go into the interface of MT5 so that you look at how the MT5 is. But how, let's say, per this trade, you placed a 1.0 lot size. In fact, before you can place a 1.0, it means you have a lot of money in your account. So your lot size is 1.0. So your leverage is 1 is to 10. Your lot size is placed at what? 1.0. That is 1 per every move, 1 per every pip, $1 per every pip, or €1 per every pip. Yes, that is the meaning here. And then your pip, you had 692 pips. So now let's calculate our leverage. We are going to calculate our leverage. You will multiply the 10 here by the 1.0. Then we multiply it all by 292. That is our pip. So this is how the calculation is going to be. 692 multiplied by 1 lot size times your leverage of 10. And then since you had 692 pips, and then your lot size was at 1, and then your leverage is at 10, your total profit you are going to earn, okay, the money you are going to see in your account as in addition will be 6 920 as profit. Amazing, right? Yes, that is amazing. Yes, so you can do your own calculations. You can be sitting down, but this is just to let you understand. Okay, you won't be doing this calculation. I'm trying to explain how the system works. Okay, to you in the calculation form. Now, the next question, the next thing we are going towards is what are the times for you to, what are time zones? In trading, we have what we call trade session. What are time zones? When are you supposed to trade? When are you not supposed to what? Trade. Now, on talk of time zones, okay, what I'm trying to mean is, this is what we have. We have like 3 sessions now. Let me say 3 sessions. Okay. The 3 sessions. We have the American session. I call it the American side. This is not the actual 3 sessions. I'm just trying to explain something to you. The US, the Mexico, the Brazil, those American side, the Latin America and things. And then we have the Europe and then the Africa base. The Europe and Africa base here. And then we have the Asian region. That is where what do you call it? China, Russia, and other Asian regions here are found at this side. So now, what are the time zones in the trade? Okay, you see, you are in Ghana here. Somebody is in Ghana here. You will be asleep. Okay, while you are asleep doesn't mean it is night here. Doesn't mean somebody in the United States is also sleeping. No. Whilst you are going to bed, that is where the United States maybe they'll become active, and then they are also ready to go to bed. That time to people in India, whilst you are asleep, people in India, China, Russia, they are now active. Okay, they are now active. When I mean they are now active, I mean they are now working. Okay, the sun is shining over there whilst the moon is here. So that is a time zone. So there are trade periods. Okay, there are periods where the trade session becomes active. There are periods where trade doesn't become what active. So that will be the next topic for us to know how to when to trade, the periods to trade, what are the trade sessions, and what are the appropriate days to trade, and then when not to what trade.